Hello, I'm National Award-winning interior designer Patricia Davis Brown, and today I'm going to speak to you about how to replace a kitchen backsplash. Well, it's not as hard as you might think it is. The existing backsplash can just pop off if it's just a 4-inch stone backsplash. But if you're dealing with a tile or a full backsplash, there may be some more damage. Don't worry, because we're going to be covering it up. You will need to patch the drywall, but then you can proceed into trying to find the perfect tile for your kitchen. I think that tile is one of the most important materials to pick, and a lot of times it's left out, but it has the biggest impact. It's the vertical surface that you see when you walk in. For instance, take this wet bar. You can see we went from drab to spectacular with the hand-painted Martini glasses. I mean, it really brings the character out, the festive feel that they were trying to bring to the space. The red backsplash here is a display that I recycled. I moved it from one showroom to another, and I had to put a new backsplash in. So I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I picked a 4x4 tile and layered a 2x2 on top of it. It's a ceramic red tile, very inexpensive, but it brought a lot of people into the showroom with its 3D effect. The other kitchen that I wanted to talk to you about is I had some clients that had a lot of Asian accents that they wanted to bring out in their kitchen. So we did that by choosing a glass tile with a koi goldfish pattern on it, and it really made it happen. Now, if you're dealing with a hearth, this is a very warm and inviting space. So you want to pick a tile that really becomes a focal point and brings that warmth to the design. In this retro themed kitchen, you can see that the glass modular pattern of tile really adds what you might have seen in the 60s. And so we've added kind of a retro feel to this very modern kitchen just by the tile backsplash. I'm Patricia Davis Brown, and I hope that I've given you great ideas on how to replace your kitchen backsplash. And please visit my design blog, digthisdesign.net, a blog about all things design.